Hello, good morning, and welcome to day 10 of the 21-day cleaning challenge. I'm in a totally different spot today than I normally am. Normally you see me in my kitchen, but I'm trying some new things out. I'm sitting at my desk. This is where I normally spend most of my weekdays. So I figured, let's try recording some of these here at my desk. It might make it a little bit easier for me to do these as well. And so yeah, here we are at my desk, trying out some new recording spots just to see how it looks. Everything behind me is still crazy. We've been super busy with getting this house ready for the renovation that's going to happen in just less than 2 weeks now. So I've got 2 weekends to purge and get the house ready for them to come in and start renovating. So I've been super busy and trying to get rid of things, declutter as much as possible, purchasing the items that they are going to need, picking out paint colors. So yeah, I haven't been making these videos as often. I think I mentioned that before, as this project approaches, I won't have as much time to work on these, but that's okay. I'm going to do it as I can, not trying to stress myself out here. But yeah, today's day 10, and with a day 10, I'm going to start getting into some tasks that you might not necessarily have to do every day. Day 1 through 9 is like your general maintenance days. For the most part, the tasks that we tackled days 1 through 9 are things that just in general keep the house clean, looking good for the most part, nothing too crazy, not going into deep cleaning, or you're not spending your whole day cleaning your entire house, just a few things that you can do every day to keep up with the mess. The next 11 days are things that we will do not necessarily every day, but maybe once a week. In some cases, some of these things might not even happen that frequently. You might do these every 2 weeks, or in some people's cases, maybe once a month. And what you're going to see me do today, and what today is called, is paper. If your house is anything like mine, paperwork, when it comes to kids' schoolwork that they bring home, mail, all the mail and junk mail that you end up getting. Like, why do we still get so much mail? Why can't everything, we already get a million emails. Why do I still get advertisements in my mail? I don't look at it. It just goes straight to the trash. So I hate mail. I wish we could just get rid of our mailbox. Well, some things I guess you do need to get in the mail, but I get so much mail still. It's just annoying. But today we tackle that. Spend a few days. Let's not spend a few days. Let's spend a few minutes a day, or on the day that you choose, whether that's a Friday before the weekend, or maybe you want to do it Monday at the beginning of the week, or maybe in the middle of the week on a Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. I don't really have a particular day that I have set on my schedule to do this task. I just kind of do it as needed, but maybe I should start doing it on a particular day. I would probably want to choose Friday. That just makes the most sense to me. You get all the kids' schoolwork collected throughout the week. You get all your mail throughout the week, and then Friday, just tackle it, sort it, throw it away, do what you need to, and then you have a fresh weekend with no papers laying around. But yes, what you're going to see me do today is collect some of the paperwork around the house. I didn't actually have much kids schoolwork today because we just got done with spring break. So it was mainly just all the mail that has been collected over the last couple of weeks, and I like to do 2 piles. You can do this however works best for you, but I do 2 piles, a throwaway pile and a keep pile. The throwaway pile we will burn at the end of the week. Most weeks we have burn burn barrel in our backyard and it just gets thrown in there. I know some people may have a paper shredder. That works too. Or some people just throw it away. Whatever works for you. And then with the keep pile, I usually will sort that and put it in our filing cabinet. Either one to tackle another time if it's a bill, or if it's just something that's important, it just goes into our filing cabinet. But with that being said, let's go ahead and sort our papers.